Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Oracle Lighting Pre-Runner Style LED Grille Light Kit, available for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Not only will this kit add some great additional forward-facing lighting to help get your Jeep noticed by other drivers at night, but it also adds that great aggressive pre-runner styling. Each kit includes 3 high-powered 3-watt LED lights available in your choice of amber or white, along with a wiring harness, and they require no drilling or modification to your Jeep's front grille to get them installed. The lights will simply secure in place into the existing holes found in your grille slats. Now, once you have the lights installed and plugged into that wiring harness, Oracle did design that harness to be a universal style install, and that means there will be some splicing into your factory wiring required at your fender flare on either the driver or passenger side, and you can determine whether to splice that into your daytime running light or your running light circuit, or you can even run that wire to a dash mounted switch, a perfect option if you've got those factory auxiliary switches mounted on your dash so that you can determine exactly when you want to illuminate those pre-runner lights. Now finally, if you want more of a plug-and-play style install, you can add on the Quadratec daytime running light adapter harness to the kit, which will give you 2 factory style plugs built into a T-harness, which will connect in place between the factory harness found at your driver's side fender and fender flare. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase the Oracle Lighting Pre-Runner Style LED Grille Light Kit for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the kit or how to get it installed, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below, or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as that notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.